everyone, while our family was staying in Pepe Ikeo on the Big Island during the holidays, Aunty Claire showed our family how to make Konbu Maki, which is a traditional Japanese New Year's dish. As always, thank you so much for watching and please enjoy.
Today we are making Konbu Maki. Konbu Maki is a traditional dish for New Year's. It represents products that the Japanese would like to have good fortune for the following year. Okay, one of the ingredients is carrots, and Auntie has just finished rinsing them off to take any kind of residue off of the carrots. She will then cut them long ways in maybe fourths.
So I was asked to count 70 pieces of carrots and make sure that we have enough pieces, and to submerge them in water so they don't wilt.
So the next ingredient we're going to prepare for Konbu Maki is gobo. Gobo is a root, commonly known as burdock. So it can grow really long. Sometimes you can find it long like this in the store, or sometimes in the store already you'll find it cut this much, and it'll only be in these little stalks. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the back of the knife, and probably in a sink, we're going to scrape it like this to take off the skin. Initially, if you look here, when I scrape it, how white it is, but almost as soon as that's over, the sap comes out and darkens it. So we're gonna stick it in water. So I'm just cutting it in same kind of slice lengths as the carrots, because they're all going to get rolled together in like a maki sushi. The carrot is about the same size, so that's roughly what we want.
Just like the carrot, cut the gobo into thin strips or 4 pieces.
As you can see, the gobo that we have soaking here is bleeding out a sap that was turning the water brown. We're going to drain the water, and we're going to soak it again in cold water. And we'll probably find ourselves having to do this several times because the sap will continue to bleed out from the gobo. So one of the other ingredients we're going to put in our Konbu Maki is shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are very tasty mushrooms. These are already pre-sliced because it would save us some time in the soaking. What we're doing right now is we put some into this bowl of water and we're soaking it. We'll absorb the water and get really nice and fluffy, and then we'll roll it into the roll. Okay. The key ingredient is pork loin, and so we're going to open it up and we're going to cut it. Take it like this. We're going to cut it in pieces like this, and then cut it like this. Okay, there we go. One of the key ingredients of Konbu Maki is the kombu. Kombu is a Japanese word for seaweed. Seaweed, this probably came, as you can see from the package. A lot of times they say the best seaweed comes from Hokkaido. Okay? So at this point, this particular kombu, Grandma Tamamoto gave to us to bring to Hiro, especially to make Konbu Maki. So I'm going to have Michael now prepare it for us. I also found out recently that this kombu comes from the origin word yorokobu. And yorokobu in Japanese means joy. So this is a labor of joy for us today. Okay, so this is a normal piece of kombu. And you see it kind of looks like this. And that can be sand. So we want to rinse this off without making it too wet, because it makes it too soft.
So it has to be soft enough so that we can wrap it without snapping it in two.
Okay, so we're gonna eventually wrap the Konbu Maki with this. So we need a length of like about 5 inches. This is about 5 inches. So we're gonna cut this. The very last ingredient that we're going to use in making Konbu Maki is Kanpyo. Kanpyo is a gourd. This has already been kind of dehydrated a little bit. We're not going to wet this like we did for the kombu and the gobo and the carrots because it will get so soft that when we tie it, it'll break. Okay, so currently everything is prepped, so we're going to assemble it, the Konbu Maki. So one ingredient is the gobo, one ingredient is the shiitake mushroom, one ingredient is the pork, and the carrot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th item. And since it should be an odd number of things, we're going to put another piece of shiitake mushroom. Okay, to roll it this way and kind of pull it tight because as it cooks, all these products will shrink and we'll never see the top. So as we've been working really hard at rolling and wrapping up all this Konbu Maki, one of the last steps we want to do is we want to add water into the pot, and Uncle Warren here is helping us do that. And just enough water to cover what is in there, and we're going to put it on the stove and let it simmer for 2 hours.
There.
I'm taking these out very delicately because they are fragile. So we want to take it out so we can make the sauce underneath.
So after you empty out the pot, you're going to add in your leftover shiitake water and ingredients, mushrooms and carrots. Then on medium heat, add in shoyu or soy sauce, sugar, and mirin or rice vinegar and cook for approximately 30 minutes. If you're interested in making this dish, the full recipe is listed below in the info box.
Initially, what you want to do is, because it's already so soft, you don't want to handle it too much more, so you want to distribute the sauce throughout the Konbu Maki. So you're trying to hold the pot, flip it, and rotate the...
But it's not big enough. I'm not good enough.
Good. That's the dog show.
Thank you again for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful 2018. Make it the best one yet. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Happy New Year!